Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to convert the MBR into GPT partition during the Windows 11 or 10.8.7 installation. So you should be able to see this screen. Now we need to click on next option here, then click on install, and basically we need to open the command prompt with the help of Shift plus F10 key. And please note that all the data will be lost from that disk which we have selected. Now you need to press Shift and F10 key here, and once you open Shift and F10 key you should be able to see the command prompt here. Now we need to hit some commands here. The first command is disk part, DISK PART without space. Now we need to type a list disk. As you can see here, I have the disk here 0, so all the data will be lost from your disk, so make sure you proceed with this step in order to convert that. Now I'm selecting here disk 0 SEL cell disk space 0. Now disk 0 is selected. You can see the size of disk as well. Now we need to clean it, so first we need to type a clean command. Now all the data will be formatted with this command. Now we need to convert it. Type a convert GPT and press the enter key. Now once you press enter key, disk completed successfully, you will see. Now we need to just exit out and cancel this and enter the product key, or if you don't have, just click on that option, select here the version which you want to install, simply accept terms and condition, click on next, accept, and now you should be able to see the unallocated space here. Just click on next option and you should be able to install the Windows on it. So this is how guys you can fix the issue and you can convert the MBR into the GPT partition. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.